If you're curious about Bubble's Notetaker AI and wondering if it's the best just released AI software, you're in the right place. Stick around, because in this video, we'll uncover the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. By the end, you'll know exactly how this software can transform the way you work. First off, Bubble's Notetaker is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their productivity with cutting-edge AI. This tool is designed to make note-taking seamless, saving you tons of time while automatically summarizing meetings, conversations, and lectures. It's like having an AI assistant that listens, understands, and writes down everything for you with extreme accuracy. What makes Bubble's Notetaker stand out is its smart algorithm. It doesn't just transcribe words, it organizes information logically, making it easy to find key points later. This level of organization isn't something you see with traditional note-taking apps, making Bubbles a must-have for anyone who deals with large volumes of data or complex information regularly. Another feature worth mentioning is its integration with multiple platforms, including Google Meet, Zoom, and even live events. This means that it can capture and organize your notes from almost anywhere, giving you access to your thoughts and ideas in real time, no matter where the meeting takes place. For those in digital marketing or project management, this is a total game changer. The software's AI-driven insights go beyond simple transcription. It can analyze conversations, highlighting key takeaways, and even creating action items for you. This feature is huge for anyone trying to stay on top of multiple tasks. No more manually sorting through notes or spending hours reviewing a meeting. Bubble's Notetaker does that work for you. You're also going to love the customization options. Whether you want to tweak the tone of your notes or add tags and labels for better organization, Bubble's Notetaker gives you full control. This flexibility is ideal for different industries, from marketers to educators and business owners. What's even better is that it's been built with privacy and security in mind. All your notes are encrypted, ensuring that sensitive information stays secure. This should give you peace of mind, especially if you're handling confidential client data or business strategies. And the best part, you can try Bubble's Notetaker for free directly from the first link below. This means you get to experience all these amazing features without any upfront commitment. If you're someone who values time efficiency and needs to stay organized, this software could be exactly what you've been looking for. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that I've tested thousands of AI software solutions. If you're serious about finding the best tools to boost your productivity, I have my top recommendations linked in the description below. Make sure to check them out after you give Bubble's Notetaker a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.